Hey everybody, it's Burke from neohandyman.com. I have a leaky faucet. I don't know if you can see it, but at the base of the spigot there's a little bit of water and it has been leaking for some time, so it's time for a repair. My difficulty right now is that I don't have a strap wrench that'll actually fit in those tight spaces, so I'm actually going to have to improvise. Now I have selected to use a ratchet strap. These things, you can see it here with the gold nylon, are used mainly to secure loads on a truck and whatnot. But here it's actually going to be quite good for a good choice for improvisation, going along with the duct tape. Now I'm going to have to actually attach the duct tape to the ratchet strap and the faucet. So here I am with the tape going up against the base of the faucet, holding the nylon tape securely while I do the wrap. By the way, this also allows me to keep from scratching the finish on the faucet. So now I'm going to wrap this anywhere from 2 to 4 times around. The tighter you believe the spigot to be, the more times you're going to have to wrap it. And here I'm actually taking up the excess, and I'm going to use the edge of the ratchet strap as a fulcrum. You'll see it pop. There it goes. As it does, it's open, and now I can pull back, and it actually spins off the locking base. Now it's even less than hand tight. I can open it up with my hand, as you see, and we're free to move along to the rest of the repair. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Listen, if you feel that this was at all helpful, please do me a favor and hit that like button. As well, feel free to subscribe. Hope to see you all soon.